Okay, Beshem Hashem Nasim Nasliach. We continue with Limud Koler Chasod. This morning is Rosh Chodesh Kislev Tavshin Pe Vav Hava Alenu Letova. So we continue from the Sefer of Harav Eliyahu Netaneli Shlita Sheshme Nikhrachti, which is regarding to Shikva Zera Levatala and one the ways to safeguard yourself from wasting seeds and other important lessons. So in this Sefer brings when a person keeps himself from this avera of Shikva Zera Levatala, for sure he will have peace and harmony in the family. There will be love. There will be the kids and the wife. They listen to each other, right? They have appreciation to each other. They have hakarat hatov. Right? They feel each other, and especially between husband and wife, right? They can communicate. One of the most issues that there is in Shalom Bayit is that unfortunately husbands, couples cannot communicate. Right? And one of the things that can help that is by husband keeping himself from this avera. And unfortunately, says Harav here, that there are many families that they don't have this bracha of having peace of mind, right? And in result, this causes the family to go through a roller coaster of difficulties and emotional stress, and also they go through depression and all sorts of sad experiences. So Harav says there could be many reasons for these unfortunate things that they go through. But one of the things is because the husband could have done a better job controlling himself. And because he didn't control himself properly, then this is causing all sorts of problems that is coming to the life, right? Coming to Shalom Bayit. And also Harav writes here, right? If there is if the wife thinks negatively of her husband, has a chashada, thinks that chas v'shalom he is betraying, or there is lack of patience or lack of appreciation, right? These are in result of husband not keeping this mitzvah, that the husband did not watch himself, and unfortunately he is involved in Shikva Zera Levatala, that causes the Shalom Bayit to go and be not perfect. Sometimes there are impure powers that come and causes the Shalom Bayit to go astray, not to go well, right? Unfortunately. So it says here that husband needs to make sure to go as much as possible, perhaps every day, to mikveh. And going to mikveh will help to take away this bad midot, right? And to bring midot tovot and peace and harmony. And also that there would be appreciation, satisfaction, and also positiveness in Shalom Bayit. Okay, so that's one lesson. Another lesson that brings here, right, that if there is if one keeps himself from this avera, then he will be blessed with having children that are tzaddikim and sadqaniyot and that they listen to the parents. So right here, there are those parents that unfortunately they have children that they are nachalaf or yachigar, which means they are not so good. They go against their parents, right? And they are suffering. So he writes here, Harav Netaneli writes here, one of the reasons could be that unfortunately there are a lot of ruchot ra'ot, there are a lot of impure powers that were created due to the wasting seeds, right? That these seeds, these the zeras that could have become children were wasted, or in other ways that could have been prevented, right? And so they go and they attack the family, starting from the father. So that father or the children, when they go to mikveh, continuously they help themselves from these impure powers. As we said before, when a person goes to mikveh, it's like taking a ball into the water. The ball would not stay under the water, would come to the top of the water. So to all these ruchot ra'ot, like bubbles, would come out of the neshama and would depart. So one needs to try his best, and then in the end he says, Netaneli says that this would be a big thing for every person to go to mikveh, and this would help him. The water of mikveh would open a lot of solutions to problems. Baruch Adonai Leolam. Amen. Amen.